cookies, right? Immediately, you reach for the sugar, eggs, and flour. But what does that flour do anyway? Is it just a powdery substance, or is it really important to the baking process? Does it really matter what type of flour you choose? My experiment gives the answer to this last question in particular, and more. While doing background research, I learned many things about my flours and about the science of baking in general. Flour may seem like it just serves to give body to the baked good, but it also plays a key role in structure. Starches in flour create form. It absorbs moisture, preventing too much spreading. Also, gluten causes the cookie to be chewy. The flours I chose for the test all had fascinating facts. All-purpose flour is actually a combination of hard and soft wheat, which is milled into wine, therefore making the perfect balance of strength and softness in the cookie. Spelt flour is one of the most interesting of all. This highly nutritious ancient grain is about 7,000 years old, and it is mentioned in the Bible twice, Ezekiel 4:9 and Isaiah 28:25. Naturally, white rice flour is gluten-free and low in fat. Whole wheat flour is also very healthy because it is not refined, which means the flour is not processed. Each flour has intriguing history and facts. For my experiment, I chose to conduct it by first baking 4 batches of cookies. The only variable was the 4 different types of flours: all-purpose, spelt, white rice, and whole wheat. After the cookies cooled, my family members and I, who acted as judges, received a score sheet and rated the cookies on the categories taste, appearance, and texture. Taste was rated on a scale of 1 to 5. Appearance had 2 subcategories, rating rise in height and spreading length. On a scale of 1 to 3, 1 being small and 3 being large. And lastly, texture, which had the adjectives soft, hard, grainy, smooth, and other, where participants could describe the treat in their own words. All-purpose flour was delicious. Spelt was soft. White rice was awfully gritty. Whole wheat was sort of bread-like. After the test was completed, I had my results and I drew my conclusions. Drum roll, please. It was all-purpose flour. On average, all-purpose scored a 5 in taste, 2 2s in appearance, and received adjectives like soft, moist, and chewy. All-purpose flour was voted highly desirable for cookie making. So really, flour is extremely important to the baking process and serves a purpose in baked goods around the world. Also, yes, it does matter which flour you choose when baking. Have you ever heard the saying, the proof is in the pudding? Well, really, the proof is in the flour. Thank you.